Welcome to the Zenix Hospital in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide available online at zoll.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this video, we review the Real BVM Help technology available on the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator. Real BVM Help guides clinicians to provide effective respiratory assistance to adult patients through a ventilation dashboard. This feature requires use of the Zoll AccuVent sensor and cable. The AccuVent cable is a reusable cable that plugs into any Z-Link port on either side of Zenix. When properly connected, the blue LED at the Z-Link port illuminates. In addition, the round green LED on the AccuVent cable also illuminates. Attach the AccuVent sensor to the Z-Link cable. When the LED bar on the cable illuminates, this confirms that the sensor is seated properly, is connected, and is receiving power. Attach the AccuVent sensor to the airway. The Real BVM Help dashboard appears when air is measured moving past the sensor. This dashboard guides you to deliver high-quality ventilations. Green numbers indicate ventilation within target, and yellow numbers indicate a need for improvement. Delivered tidal volume displays in milliliters on the left side. Target volume can be found just above the delivered volume. Volumes in target will be plus or minus 50 milliliters of the target volume. To adjust the target tidal volume, select the Real BVM Help dashboard. Using the Target Volume pull-down menu, select the desired volume. A balloon-shaped ventilation quality indicator in the center of the dashboard serves multiple functions. It offers a countdown timer for the next breath, as well as color-coded feedback on delivered tidal volume and ventilation rate. Green indicates a rate and volume within target, while yellow indicates the need to improve tidal volume or rate. If a breath is due based on target rate, the circle empties and blinks yellow to signal time to ventilate. Ventilation rate feedback displays in breaths per minute to the right of the ventilation quality indicator. The default breath rate appears on the right side of the rate box. Rate in target is plus or minus 20% of the target rate. Use the Real BVM Help dashboard to change the target rate. Select the Target Rate pull-down menu to choose the desired rate. Additional feedback is provided on the AccuVent cable at the sensor end. The LED indicates when to ventilate and whether the rate and volume are within targets. Ventilation and compression quality can be provided to the user simultaneously. The target rate can be configured to ventilate at a 30-2 rate for CPR. When compressions are detected, the rate will automatically change to 30-2. The ventilation quality indicator remains filled during compressions. As time to ventilate approaches, the circle empties and starts blinking yellow. Provide the patient with 2 breaths back to back, and volume quality will appear. When an advanced airway is placed, rate and volume can be changed per protocol, as described earlier in this video. We have now reviewed how to use Real BVM Help technology with the AccuVent sensor on Zenix.